Welcome to the YouTube channel of Enviro Annotations, India's first environmental weekly newspaper. Here are the headlines from our 25th October 2023 issue. AI, robotics, and drones for smart waste management on the horizon. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, during a press conference, emphasized the use of artificial intelligence, robotics, and drones for smart waste segregation and quick disposal. He mentioned that the idea of an AI-driven system that segregates waste, a robot to transport it, and a drone to deliver it to the right location is on anvil. Forest Advisory Committee decision on compensatory afforestation, net present value in mining lease extensions forest proposals. Here is an environmental painting by Jerusha Jude, a 7th standard student from Sacred Heart Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Church Park, Chennai. NGT directs a re-evaluation of MCD's violations, OK's MOEFCC's request on decision on EIA applicability. Addressing the matter of Gauri Mouleki versus Union of India in OA number 879 of 2022, the NGT Principal Bench of Justice Prakash Srivastava, Chairman, and Dr. E. Senthilwell, Expert Member, on the 20th October 2023 granted a 4-week extension. This extension to the ministry was granted upon the request of the ministry, citing ongoing stakeholder consultations. As a result, the case is now scheduled to be listed on 29th January 2024. NGT Eastern Zone upholds Oil India Limited EC in light of energy security concerns. NGT Western Zone maintains a stand on EDC on SMC, stresses compliance with audit report. Expert committees take on EIA EC requirements for STPs and CSTPs. EC's approval on Vedanta's thermal power plant near water bodies sparks environmental concerns. Dates for key legal provisions. The central government, through different notices, has scheduled the implementation of specific provisions under the Jan Vishwas Amendment of Provisions Act 2023. NGT acts on Delhi's deteriorating air quality crisis. Delhi government launches Red Light On, Gadi Off campaign to combat vehicular pollution. Chairman DPCC allegedly halts crucial pollution study, raises concerns. Expert article authored by Professor Dr. Bhakti Devi, Jal Smriti Foundation, lessons for other 25 river basins from the Kaveri River dispute. Indian steel giants falter. Indian steel companies like Tata Steel, JSW, nominated for the 14th Steely Awards, failed to fetch any awards in any of the 6 categories, recognizing excellence in various aspects of the steel sector. Motherson Group boosting sustainability with benchmark Gensuite. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, CCEA, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, approves Uttarakhand's Jamrani Dam project inclusion in Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program, PMKSY AIBP. Editorial: Beneath the Canopy criticizes Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav in his recent article for Vigilant India, a Ministry of Home Affairs publication. Another editorial: Looming land crisis underlines UNCCD's reveal of an alarming global surge in land degradation, with the world losing 100 million hectares of fertile land every year from 2015 to 2019. Bank of India's BRSR, Business Responsibility and Sustainability Report, a missed opportunity. The article shares insights of Bank of India's BRSR 2023 and questions when India is relying on green credit, if banks and financial institutions fail to understand the green components, will it ever succeed? Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change proposes amendments in pesticide industry standards. THD, CIL and IIT Delhi forged transformative research partnership. Tata Steel breaks ground on sustainable green steel plant in Ludhiana. Please share your valuable comments on this video in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button. It costs nothing to you but encourages us tremendously. And also share this video with your friends and colleagues. And if you have not subscribed so far to this channel, please do it now. You can also share your stories, news, research synopsis, your articles for publication in our print version, and share your videos for this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this. We will come back with another episode for you. Till then, do take care of yourself and your environment.